We're diving into Vibrathotics, the vibrating insoles that claim to offer fast pain relief, boost blood flow, and give you comfort all day long. Let's see if they live up to the hype. What is Vibrathotics? Vibrathotics are special insoles that combine orthotic support with vibration therapy to help you walk more comfortably and pain-free. They're designed to relieve foot pain, increase blood circulation, and give you all-day comfort. The best part? They're doctor-recommended and clinically proven to work. How does Vibrathotics work? These insoles use vibration therapy, which is a technique proven to improve circulation and relieve muscle tension. The vibrating feature boosts blood flow, reduces foot pain, and gives your feet a warm, soothing feeling. The orthotic insole itself absorbs shock and supports your foot with every step. Together, they create a comfortable and healing experience for your feet. Features and benefits of Vibrathotics. Pain relief. Vibrathotics help relieve chronic foot pain, plantar fasciitis, neuropathy, and other common foot issues. Vibration therapy. The insoles have a built-in vibration feature that stimulates blood flow and soothes muscle pain. Customizable comfort. With 6 vibration settings, you can adjust the intensity to your liking. Shock absorption. The orthotic cushion reduces strain on your feet and absorbs shock, making every step more comfortable. Improved balance. These insoles improve your balance, helping prevent falls and reducing gait problems, especially for seniors. All-day use. With a long-lasting battery, Vibrathotics will keep you comfortable throughout the day. How to use Vibrathotics? Using Vibrathotics is super easy. Place them in your shoes. Simply slide the Vibrathotics into your favorite pair of shoes. Choose the vibration setting. Pick one of the 6 customizable vibration settings to suit your comfort. Feel the relief. Walk and feel the soothing effects of the vibration therapy with each step. Vibrathotics pros and cons. Pros. Offers fast and long-lasting pain relief. Improves blood flow and circulation. Provides comfort with cushion support. Adjustable vibration settings for personalized comfort. Easy to use and fit into any shoe. Great for people on their feet for long hours. Cons. The vibration can be a bit loud, but it's not a deal breaker. May take some getting used to, especially if you're new to vibration therapy. Price and amp. Where to buy Vibrathotics? Vibrathotics are currently on sale, with prices starting at $79.99, 50% off the regular price of $159.99. If you want even more savings, there's a buy 2, get 1 free offer for $159.99, or the best deal, buy 3, get 2 free for just $239.99. You can buy them directly from the official website and enjoy free shipping in the USA. Conclusion. So, is Vibrathotics worth it? If you're looking for relief from foot pain, better blood flow, and all-day comfort, they're definitely worth a try. With a 30-day money-back guarantee, you've got nothing to lose. Plus, they're doctor-recommended and have already helped thousands of happy customers. If you're ready to walk more comfortably, check out the link in the description to order your Vibrathotics today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews. Let us know in the comments if you've tried Vibrathotics or if you have any questions. See you in the next video.